When building a home, here are 4 things that you should consider going standard options on that you can easily change out later. Opt for no hardware on your kitchen cabinets so you can easily upgrade them to the style you prefer at a cheaper cost. Do opt in for standard mirrors because you can easily upgrade these to the desired mirrors you prefer. Do ask your builder if they could just not install the boring bathroom fixtures that you chose as standard so you can easily install your own. In this case, I chose a hook and matching toilet paper holders. Opt in for your boring boob lights, who hates those, so you can upgrade to your desired light fixtures and fans. I had this boring chandelier before, then switched out to this amazing chandelier and pendant lighting. One thing to note is for the ceiling fan, you want to make sure that the proper ceiling box is installed when it's being built so that it can support the extra weight of a fan. Well, there you have it. I hope you found these tips helpful for saving a little bit of money when you're building a home, either with a big builder or your own custom home. I personally did these when we built our custom home, and I found it to be very cost efficient and definitely helpful in our budget.